Welcome to Loomdex. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit TRX into your account. There are 3 simple ways to access the deposit screen. Let's walk through each one step by step. Method 1, from the home screen. When you open the app, you'll land on the Home tab. At the top, you'll see your Total Assets card. On the right side of that card, tap the blue Deposit button. You'll be taken to the Asset Selection screen. From here, choose TRX, and the Deposit TRX page will open automatically. Simple and direct. Method 2, from the Assets tab. Another way to deposit is through the Assets tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap Assets. Under your balance, you'll see shortcut options like Deposit, Withdraw, Transfer, and History. Tap Deposit. The Deposit button is displayed with an icon and the word Deposit underneath, making it easy to recognize. Next, select TRX, and you'll arrive at the Deposit TRX page. Method 3. Tap the TRX asset directly. You can also deposit directly from the TRX asset itself. Inside the Assets tab, tap on TRX. A Select Action panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. Choose Deposit. Because you already selected TRX, the app takes you straight to the Deposit TRX page. No extra steps needed. This is the fastest method if you're specifically depositing TRX. How to send TRX from your exchange or wallet. Now let's talk about how to actually send the TRX. On the Deposit TRX screen, you'll see a QR code and your TRX wallet address. This is the address you will send your TRX to. Open the platform where your TRX is currently stored. For example, this could be Binance, Trust Wallet, or another exchange or crypto wallet. Inside that platform, choose Withdraw or Send. Paste your Loomdex TRX address or scan the QR code if your wallet supports scanning. Very important. When selecting the network, choose TRON, TRC20. Always make sure the network matches exactly. Using the wrong network may result in lost funds. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Confirm the transaction. And complete any required security verification from your exchange or wallet. Important deposit details. Deposits must be at least 20 TRX. Funds are credited to your main account. And deposits typically arrive in around 2 minutes, depending on network activity. You can track the status inside your transaction history once it reflects. And that's it. 3 easy ways to access the deposit screen, and a simple process to send TRX from your exchange or wallet. Once your TRX arrives in Loomdex, you're ready to use it across the platform.